In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a strip on your Wix website seamlessly and effortlessly. Whether you need to clean up your page layout for a more minimalistic look or temporarily remove content for a campaign, hiding a strip in Wix can be a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through every step. Let's start at the very beginning. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Wix website editor. It's a good idea to ensure you're logged into your Wix account and you're working on the correct site. Once you're in, you should see your site's dashboard. Look for the Edit Site button, which will lead you to the Wix editor, where all the magic happens. Now that you've accessed the editor, perhaps you're looking at the desktop view. To customize for mobile, which many users often forget, it's important to switch to the mobile view. Up at the top, there's a toggle or a button that says Switch to Mobile. Click on that. Remember, optimizing for mobile is crucial in today's digital landscape as it helps provide a seamless experience for your visitors on the go. Next, with your page in mobile view, identify the specific strip you wish to hide. A strip, in Wix terms, is essentially a section of your web page that may contain various types of content: text, images, videos, etc. These strips can help break up content into digestible sections. But at times, you may need to hide one. As you hover over the strip, it should highlight with a border, indicating that it is selectable. Once you've clicked on the desired strip that you want to tuck away, a menu should appear. In this menu, you'll find multiple options for customizing and styling the strip. Look for the option that says Hide Element. It's typically easy to spot, but if you don't see it immediately, don't panic. You can often find it by right-clicking on the strip and navigating through the Context menu. Clicking Hide Element will remove the strip from the visible view on the mobile site. And there you have it. The strip is now hidden, making your mobile site layout cleaner and less cluttered. The best part? It's not deleted, just tucked away for when you're ready to showcase it again. To unhide, simply switch back to the desktop mode or mobile. Click on any hidden elements icon and select the strip to make it visible again. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage which parts of your site are visible to your audience, helping to maintain a professional and streamlined web presence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing on Wix.